Welcome back YouTube to yet another video. My name is Iman, also known as the Persian Steak, and today we're gonna go to a massive showcase slash car event here at Southern California. It's over at the IKEA in Costa Mesa, and this vlog entirely is just gonna be for the event itself. There's gonna be plenty of people, massive hypercars coming through, pretty big heavy hitters, so I do want to just showcase that, and the whole show entirely won't be mainly on my driving or anything like that. Maybe we'll meet a few people who will be in the vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the whole event, and if you guys didn't miss it this year, then you could use this video as reference to then kind of be there in spirit, if that makes sense. So this is Leo, our videographer for the day. We did a lot of work together.
Yeah, 2 videos.
Yeah, like 2 videos. They went great. I'll actually play one of the clips right now.
Gonna be a crazy day, that's all.
It's gonna be insane. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and vlog out there. Oh, what's happening?
Am I cut in right here?
Go for it, man. Yeah, of course.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Anyways, ladies and gents, we are stuck in traffic right now. You can see it's pretty freaking red. Traffic is terrible right now, and we're just waiting. There's at least probably a couple thousand people already right now, or a couple hundred at least. There's so many people out here. I mean, my 10mm lens doesn't do things justice, but we'll show you guys as soon as we go in. Should take another 15 minutes just from here.
Rebel Alto. All these people, bro.
Damn, this is crazy. Oh my god, there's so much people.
Oh my god.
Lot's full, so just park on the other side.
What was that?
Lot's full already, so if you go around, make a left right here, and then go back that way, there's more parking over there.
Oh, even if we are RSVP?
Yeah, they're full already.
Really? Okay. No.
But why are you late?
I came at 1:45.
The traffic.
Nah, no excuses. No
The
excuses.
Okay. Alright, man, I'll go park up.
Luckiest people alive.
At the show for sure.
Dude, look how full it is, and they just opened a spot up for us.
Wow.
What's up, man? Yo, we saw you coming in. What's up, man?
Alright, ladies and gents, so we have officially made it here to IKEA, and yeah, it's super packed, and the show hasn't even started yet. We're still waiting for the hypercars to come through. They're probably coming at around 2. This is insane. Now on to the voiceover. Alright, ladies and gents, so I figured I'd do a voiceover just because in a car show there's not too much to vlog in that way, but I just wanted to show you guys every single car that's here in the showcase. First hypercar you guys saw is the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Then we have a couple Ford GTs. One is a Heritage Edition, and you can see a whole lineup of exotic cars. Unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to be a part of this group just because they said they ran out of parking, but there was many spots available. But you can see how extensive the show is. Funny enough, I don't know what this car is, so for those of you who do know, definitely let me know in the comments down below. So this is the queue that the hypercars have arrived. We're gonna go ahead and get a good shot when they roll out in the front over here. and gents, so I wanted to make things more efficient as possible because it took about 50 minutes to get everyone parked up and lined up. But you could see this whole lineup of just one-off Porsches, Zingers, and so on, followed by a Porsche 918, then a Daytona SP3, and this whole entire lineup is crowded with a bunch of people. So I thought just going alongside the whole lineup like this was more efficient for you guys to see how many cars are here. Then followed by the Senna is a Ferrari Enzo, then followed by that is a P1 HDK, which was absolutely insane to see, and 2 G-Wagon 6x6s as well. The whole entire event was just so packed. So again, there was only so much I could do in terms of vlogging and getting all the content for the lineup of cars pulling up. But you can see how packed it is. But onto the live camera. This is like a mix between Car Week and Cars-A-Copters. For those of you who don't know, Cars-A-Copters are actually one of the biggest car shows of the year. And funny enough, it did get shut down in a way. But I think this one tops it as far as exclusive cars too.
Yo! What's up, bro? You get to see any of this stuff, or you've been out here?
No, I literally, bro, I was pretty selfish of me. I literally, from the start there, I moved out of the way of like all the crowds, and I just walked the whole entire road just recording.
There you go.
I mean, I was in people's ways, but you know,
it is what it is. You gotta
do.
get it. I did the same thing pretty much. So, you know,
Larp Nation.
Yeah.
As you can see, my car is parked right over here, a little bit away from the whole entire show itself, just because they ran out of parking spots. Now, I don't know if that's really true because there's other spots, as you can see, opened up right there. But my car is safe right here, away from everyone, in a way, because oh my god, there's so many people here. But I'll go ahead and shoot some more cars for you guys to see in the showcase. But yeah, that's pretty much all you can vlog in a car show. So I just wanted to showcase once again how many people there are in the show, because it's absolutely insane. But I also did want to show you guys the engine cover coming off of the F1 GTR, a couple CGTs, and a 4GT owned by Josh at Bowden Auto House. So you can see everything is just so cramped up. I'm just trying to get some views for you guys for the cars that I didn't get earlier. But let's go ahead and get some revs. Damn, but you actually catch them all. That's funny. Remember, I only could park, so. That's awesome.
Oh, there's an F12 behind us. Yeah, that wasn't us, bro. That wasn't us. That wasn't us.
Wasn't us.
Damn. Oh, it's a McLaren.
It is, yeah. Damn, the 750S. That's so sick. Yeah.